Hey guys, a couple of Boyle's Law problems. I'm gonna give you two Boyle's Law problems and then have you guys work them out and put them in the Canvas and give me your answers, and I'll give you some points for them. Okay. Just a reminder, you can see examples of how to do Boyle's Law problems earlier in the mod, but P1 times V1 equals P2. Oops, screwed that up. That's a 1 times V2. Okay, P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. I mess up a little bit. Sometimes I get people thinking that Boyle's Law has all to do with balloons, and it doesn't. But the examples I give you just involve a lot of balloons. If you think about it, when you're driving up over the mountains, going to Bend, or if you're driving to Lincoln City, going over the coastal range, you'll feel a pressure change in your ear. Your ear and throat are connected by a little tube called a eustachian tube, which is kind of a confined volume. And when you go up a mountain, you take the pressure off of it, which causes that tube to, all the air in that expands. That's Boyle's Law. And when you drop back down to sea level, then you're putting that pressure back on it, and your eustachian tube stretches back, so you feel that pressure change. But anyway, the problem we're going to do involves the gentleman down at sea level, and he has a balloon that's 10 liters in volume. And down at sea level, he's experiencing 1 atmosphere, or 100 kilopascals of pressure. Okay, so that's a fella down at sea level. Now he goes up on top of a mountain, that same fella with the same balloon, and that balloon gets quite a bit bigger. Now he's at 43 kilopascals of pressure. Okay, so down at sea level at 100 kilopascals, he's got a 10-liter balloon. How big, what's going to be the volume of his balloon at 43 kilopascals of pressure? That's your first problem. Okay, I'll let you guys work on that. Boyle's Law problem number 1. Solve it and submit your answer. You pause this if you need to. We're going to work on Boyle's Law problem number 2. Same dude is at sea level with the same balloon, 10-liter balloon. And this time he's going to go scuba diving. So he drops down, and all the pressure on his balloon, because of Boyle's Law, reduces the volume down to 7.5 liters. So how deep did he go? How much pressure is on him? Okay, P1 times V1 equals P2 times V2. So in the first problem, I made you find V2. In this one, I'm going to make you find V1. Okay? And go back through it. You solve it the same way that you would solve this problem. 6 times 1 equals something times 2. However you solve that problem down there, it's the same way you solve that one up there. Submit your answers online for me. Thank you.